bwa matemo manene yense gocha kwariganirwa inse yo mutenyo yo mukuru bono nigo bona babwatani bo borende nabo go bechisemi bakoragwa no mu county commissioner bwe county ya Kisii Alan Masharia nero mo director bwe chisemi county ya Kisii Pius Ngome baimerana na borokia banene bechiskuru cha secondary ya samagacho yeskuru ya bamura ya Kisii liko kwanera beno kuyarigania kwa matemo ayo.
Na kama mjuavyo tuko karibu kuanza mtihani wetu ya kitaifa. Kwa hivyo tulikuwa tumekutana na sub-county directors of education na all principals who will be manning the examination centers. Madhumuni hasa ilikuwa ni kuangalia mikakati ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba mitihani inapoanza inaenda kulingana na sheria.
We have a total of 33,469 that are the number that are going to take exam, and also for KCP the number we have that are going to sit are 39,079. That's the number we have. For the KCP boys we have total number of 19,468, while girls are 19,604. Gender parity you can see on the girls side is slightly more than boys.
Masharia niga murekera engana yo kwibo kwa matemwa anene mono na aboroki wabakobwaterana na aborokia na onde bwensi orache gotoka nelimo cherio niga imukerwe getambo kerege tindi korengana nelichiko.
Pia katika mwaka huu ningependa pia nitoe wito kwamba tuhakikishe ya kwamba hatuna any issue ya udanganyifu katika examination. On the same breath, ningependa niseme ya kwamba mashirika yetu yote ya kisalama itakuwa on high alert kwamba kuhakikisha ya kwamba hatutapata udanganyifu wowote wa mtihani.
Ase ensemo yende Pius Ngome nigo arototera engana ya competency based curriculum gose CBC abwasateba nigo bealiganira benne gocha kobwatesia umuroberi oyo.
As we are now, we are at 88.5% with one sub-county with the south having reached 100% in the presentation of the project, and we hope that by end of next week we shall have reached over 95. Some few classes remaining for paid work, and we are doing well on the CBC infrastructure for now.
Ingo reporter ya Ndizi TV, editor ya Brian Sagini.